So while this isn't necessarily a specific command, it is a feature you can do with images. So you can either do this with a PDF or even a JPEG or a TIFF, maybe an aerial image. But basically I want to drape it over a surface. So you can see here I have a surface and I have my image. And what I'm able to do is go to my Project Explorer and select that image. And then what you want to do is go to the Surfaces tab and select Surface Members. You'll select the surface that you want. You'll select the image that you want to drape, and then you'll simply add it as a surface member. You'll see what it does is it kind of shrinks and creates a boundary as well around that surface. So if I close this and we take a closer look, you can see that this image has been draped over that surface, and it's displaying the image again, or the surface is displaying based on the property. So if I go to the properties of this, you can see that in plan view it's showing by surface color. So it's applying this image. You can see here that with that image, the existing contours do show this little stockpile here, and it's somewhat truly represented. So you can kind of get an idea of what your site looks like by draping this image over the top of that surface.